Hey guys, today I want to show you how to exchange your hard disk in your laptop with an SSD but still keep your hard disk. So what you need is this HDD candy and an SSD that's 2.5 inch that we are going to use today, and we're going to keep the hard drive inside this laptop. So I have a Asus N56VZ that has a 1TB hard drive inside. So now I'm going to show you how to take out the HDD and replace it with the SSD, and then we're going to replace the CD drive with our hard disk. So let's begin. Here you can see it's our HDD. 4 screws, take all of them out. Pull it out, and here we have our HDD. There's 4 screws here that you will need to take it out. So three, 4. There, our hard drive is out, and now we're going to put our SSD inside. This is a PNY, I believe this is a PNY CS1311. This is a 120 gig SSD inside. So now we're going to put it inside the HDD bracket and then start screwing back. Oops. That was the wrong screw. Okay, so we're going to screw this back. Now I would recommend to put the SSD in the original HDD bracket is because this is a SATA 3 port and I believe the CD drive is only a SATA 2 port. So if you put your SSD into the CD port, you will halve the SSD speed. If you look closely, there's a icon here that shows a CD. This is the screw that you need to remove to take out your CD drive. So pulling this out. So this is the hook that you need to remove. This was the hole that locked the CD drive into the laptop. So now you need to remove these two screws and transfer it to this candy bar. I'll show you how. So you first, these two screws, you need to remove it. Right. Now you need to put the screws here, match these two holes. Okay. Let me try to align them. One of the easy way is just screw these two in first before you really lock them down. There. Okay, so you first need to pull this bracket off because you will need it later on. There. Just need to pull it strong. Now this was the original HDD CD candy. Now you have to put your hard disk inside. So after that you will need this to secure your hard disk. It's a rubber pad that will keep your hard disk firm inside. So you just need to push into this gap here. Okay. Now after that you need to attach the CD bracket. Just align the hole with the hooks here. So and then you're ready to go. Slide it inside. And you can start screwing. Cover it back. This last screw inside. Now all you have to do is to transfer your operating system from your hard disk to your SSD, and then you can try to boot up your PC and see how fast it will boot. And then this break, then put this here. Okay. All we have to do now is put up the PC. So there you have it. So let's try to put time. 1, 2, 3, go. So I have opened up my PC here, and you can see that we have a local disk C, that's our SSD, and the local disk D, that's our hard drive. And if we open inside the device manager, and we go into these drives, you'll see that both of them are registered, meaning that they are both working properly. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.